Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is pull-ups, push-ups, and squats is all you need. Now, when I say pull-ups, push-ups, and squats is all you need, I'm talking about that's all you need to do for strength training for the vast majority of people. If you want to be in good shape, have muscle, and keep it as simple as possible, this is all you need to do. Now, I know this for a fact because I've been doing it for years now. 90 to 95% of what I do is just pull-ups, push-ups, and squats. And most of the time, I don't even use any weights. It's a workout I do on Mondays and Thursdays, so just twice a week. I do 2 rounds, so it's generally 6 sets. Sometimes I'll throw in a set of core after that, so it could be 7 sets. But for the most part, I just do these 6 sets, 2 rounds, a pull push, and a squat. And like I said, don't use any weights. You can do this anywhere as long as you can get a pull-up bar. I have a pull-up bar that's attached to the roof of my garage, but you don't need to make it that complicated. You can just get a simple pull-up bar that goes in your doorway, which is what I had for years before this. I just used a pull-up bar that I bought from Amazon that can just attach into any doorway. Makes it really easy and really simple. And then I also do cardio twice a week. I do a run. It's generally 3 to 5 miles, and I do that on Tuesdays and Fridays. So I typically don't work out Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do go on several walks a day, however. So, you always want to be moving your body every day, even if you're not working out or pushing it hard. Make sure you're going on plenty of walks every day, getting fresh air and sunshine. It's a huge recommendation. So there's really no excuses. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need any weights. It doesn't take a lot of time. And the other part of this is what type of foods are you eating? So make sure to check out my other videos so you can see the type of foods that I eat and I recommend. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you also check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.